Magandang araw, boys and girls all over the world. This is Kuya Robby Domingo, ang magpapabago ng pananaw nyo na hindi mahirap ang math, kundi math dali. Math warriors, simulan na natin ng positibo ang araw na ito dahil nandito na naman tayo kung saan sasamahan natin ng excitement at dagdag na kaalaman ang pag-aaral ng math. Welcome to Math Dali! Hawak niyo na ba ang inyong mga pencil at paper para sa isa na namang masaya at puno ng kaalaman na episode? Yes? Alright, let's go! May letter sender tayo. Ito ang sabi niya. To our math bestie Kuya Robby. Ay Kuya Robby, kumusta po kayo? Ako nga pa pala si Thea Kabangbang. Hi Thea, madalas po kasi ako nagkakamali sa pag-divide ng fractions. Lalo na kung mixed numbers na. Pwede niyo po ba akong tulungan para mas madaling maintindihan ang lesson namin? May alam po ba kayong mas madaling steps to solve it? Salamat po, Kuya Robby. Love, Thea Kabangbang. Thea, maraming salamat sa pag-send ng iyong sulat at huwag kang mag-alala. Kami ang bahala sa'yo. Tumutok ka lang, Thea, sa episode natin dahil bibigyan kita ng madaling tandaan na steps kung paano mag-divide ng fractions. Okay, mga classmates, for today's episode, ang lesson natin ay division of simple fractions and mixed numbers. At sa lesson na ito, ay gagamitin natin ang natutunan natin sa multiplication of fractions. Ready na ba kayo? Taas kamay nga yung mga handa na. Okay. Okay, simulan natin sa first example natin. 8/9 divided by 2/3. In dividing simple fractions, meron lang tayong 3 simple steps na dapat tandaan. Step 1, change the division sign to multiplication sign. Tama yung narinig nyo. Iibahin natin yung division sign to multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of the divisor only. Ano yung reciprocal, Kuya Robs? Yung reciprocal ay yung kabaliktaran. Magsi-switch. Makikita natin, yung 2/3 nagkapalit to 3/2. Step 2, apply cancellation. Ginagawa natin ang cancellation para mapaliit ang numbers na imumultiply. Canceling fractions is like simplifying fractions. Okay? Hindi necessary na diagonal ang cancellation. Pwede ring vertical. Basta ang isa ay numerator at yung isa naman ay denominator. Hindi pwedeng parehas na numerator at parehas na denominator, okay? Hindi pwede yon. Para sa ating operation dito, unahin na natin ang 8 at 2. Ano ang kanilang common factor? Tama. We can divide them by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Next, ano ang common factor ng 3 at 9? Tama. We can divide them by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, while 3 divided by 3 is 1. And now we have 4/3 times 1 over 1. For our last step, just multiply the numerators and the denominators. 4 times 1 is 4, and 3 times 1 is 3. Our final answer is 4/3. Or, when simplified or when expressed as a mixed number, ang final answer ay 1 and 1/3. Paano nga ba nakuha ang 1 and 1/3 or mag-simplify ng fractions? We divide the numerator by the denominator. 4 divided by 3 is 1. At yun, yung magiging whole number natin. And 1 times 3 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Ang quotient, ang whole number, which is 1. At yung remainder, ang ating numerator, which 1, again, and we will just write the same denominator na 3. Ganun lang siya kadali. Something like our lesson last time. Nasundan ba ng lahat? Di ba? Kaya ang saya mag-multiply at mag-divide ng fractions. Subok pa tayo. Ito, classmates. 7/8 divided by 3/4. First step, we change the division sign to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the divisor. Tandaan nyo, divisor lang. Okay? So, ito ay magiging 7/8 times 4/3. Second step, apply cancellation. Classmates, ito lang yung cancellation na masayang gawin. Huwag po tayong magka-cancel online, okay? Alright. Alin sa numbers na ito ang may common factors? Tandaan, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-cancel ng both numerators or both denominators. Dapat isa sa taas at isa sa baba. Hindi rin lang na cross yan, diagonal. Pwede rin na vertical. Ang isa ay dapat numerator at ang isa naman ay denominator. Sa ating equation dito, may nakita ba kayong common factors? Ayun, no? Di ba? 8 and 4. Ano ang common factor nila? Correct. We can divide them by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we have 7 halves times 1/3. And for our last step, we just multiply the numerators and denominators. 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 3 is 6. So our answer is 7/6. Pero hindi pa yan ang final answer. Ang final answer ay 1 and 1/6. Mukhang sisiw na sisiw ang ating division of fractions. Let's do one more example. Ito. Masaya to. 6/9 divided by 3/4. Okay. Tingnan muna natin ang ating equation. First step, change the division sign to multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of our divisor. So, we'll have 6/9 times 4/3. Second step, apply cancellation. O alin sa mga ito ang pwede natin i-cancel? Sige nga. Yes, we can cancel 6 and 3 kasi pwede natin i-divide ang both numbers by 3. Or, pwede na natin i-cancel ang 6 and 9 dahil ang common factors nila ay 3. Sige, for this example, let's cancel 6 and 9. Ang 6 when divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Meron pa ba tayo pwede i-cancel? Pwede pa ba natin i-cancel ang 2 at 4? Oops! Oops! Wait lang. Hindi natin pwede i-cancel ang 2 at 4 kasi parehas itong numerators. Okay? Daan yan. Diba dapat pagka-cancel ang isa ay numerator at yung isa naman ay denominator. So, hindi natin pwedeng i-cancel. Paano naman yung 3 and 3? Pwede ba natin i-cancel yan? Hindi rin pwede dahil both numbers ay denominators. Tandaan, pwede lang mag-cancel kapag nasa numerator at nasa denominator. Hindi pwedeng both numerators and both denominators. Now, let's proceed to step number 3. Multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. So our final answer is 8/9. Pero, Kuya Robby, parehas din ba ang magiging sagot kung kinancel natin yung 6 and 3 kanina? Yes. Parehas lang. Okay, balikan natin. Tingnan natin to. Madali lang, di ba? Paano naman kung ganito? 8 and 5/6 divided by 3 and 3/4. Nako, may mixed numbers na. Dumako na tayo sa exciting part, mga classmate, ang division of mixed numbers. Para sa division of mixed numbers, meron din tayong 3 easy steps para makuha ang sagot. Step 1, Gaya ng lesson natin sa multiplication of mixed numbers, dapat ay i-express muna natin ang mixed numbers to improper fractions. Paano natin gagawin yan? Okay. Quick review tayo. We just multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add the numerator, then copy the denominator. Unahin natin ang 8 and 5, 6. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 plus 5 is 53, and just copy the same denominator, which is 6. We have 53 over 6. For our second mixed number, 3 and 3/4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. We have 15 over 4. Now, we have 53 over 6 divided by 15 over 4. Change the division sign to multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of the divisor. Babalik na rin natin yung divisor. So, 53 over 6 times 4 over 15. Alin sa mga ito ang pwede nating i-cancel o yung numbers na may common factors? We can cancel 6 and 4 dahil ang common factor nila ay tama, 2. We have 53 over 3 times 2 over 15. Meron pa bang pwedeng i-cancel? Mukhang wala na, no? Oh. So for our last step, let's multiply and simplify our final answer. 53 times 2 is 106. 3 times 15 is 45. And now we have 106 over 45 when simplified is equal to 2 and 16 over 45. Nasundan ba, classmates? Okay, sige. Mixed numbers to, kaya naman subok pa tayo. 12 and 3/2 divided by 2 and 3/4. Step 1, change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Unahin natin ang 12 and 3/2. 2 times 12 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. And we just copy the same denominator, which is 2. We have 27 over 2. For our mixed number sa pangalawa na 2 and 3/4, ito ang magiging renamed fraction natin. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. And we have 11 over 4. Now we have 27 halves divided by 11/4. Diretso tayo sa second step. Step 2, change the division sign to multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of the divisor. 27 over 2 times 4 11ths. We can cancel 2 and 4 dahil ang common factor nila ay 2. Meron pa bang pwedeng i-cancel? Wala na. Now we have 27 over 1 times 2 over 11. And for our last step, multiply the numerators and denominators and then simplify. 27 times 2 is 54. 1 times 11 is 11. Now we have 54 over 11, or when simplified is equal to 4 and 10 11ths. Madali lang, di ba? O, may mga pumapalakpak dyan. Good job, classmates. Nakuha ba ng lahat? Mukhang handang-handa na. Okay, mag-short recap muna tayo bago tayo dumiretso sa Math Dali quiz tayo. When dividing a simple fraction, susundan lang natin ang 3 easy steps. Step 1, change the division sign to multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of the divisor only. Step 2, apply cancellation. We do this process para mas lumiit yung numbers na ating i-multiply. And for our last step, multiply the numerators and denominators. At para naman sa division of mixed numbers, we have to express the mixed number as improper fractions first, and then we follow the steps na minention natin kanina. O classmates, one last reminder, kapag hindi makuha ang sagot, huwag kayong mag-alala. Subok lang ng subok. Mahirap man, pero kapag sinipagan natin ang pag-iensayo, lahat naman magiging madali. Game na ba ang lahat? Sige nga, itaas ang kamay kung handa na sa ating quiz time. Let's do this. Sa bawat tanong, meron lamang tayong 20 seconds to answer at sa end ng ating quiz, sabihin nyo sa akin yung score na makukuha nyo by commenting on this video. Okay? Okay. Be ready dahil magsisimula na tayo. This is our Mathly quiz time. Question number 1. What is the quotient of 5/12 and 1/60? Oh. Is it A, 23, B, 24, C, 25, or D, 26? 20 seconds, go. Ano nga ba ang sagot natin? What is the quotient of 5/12 and 1/60? Tandaan natin yung mga steps natin. And time is up. Ang tamang sagot ay letter C, 25. I-solve natin mga classmate, no? 5/12 divided by 1/60. Step 1, change the division sign to multiplication sign, and we will get the reciprocal of our divisor. So, 5/12 times 60/1. Step 2, apply cancellation. We can cancel 12 and 60. Ano nga ba ang common factor ng 12 at 60? Tama, 12. 60 divided by 12 is 5, and 12 divided by 12 is 1. Now we have, simple lang, 5/1 times 5/1. For our last step, multiply the numerators and denominators. 5 times 5 is 25. 1 times 1 is 1. Kaya naman our final answer is 25/1 or simply 25. Parehas ba tayo na sagot? Good job. Let's proceed to question number 2. What is the quotient of 2/3 and 2/5? Is it A, 1 and 1/3, B, 1 and 2/3, C, 2, or D, 2 and 1/3? 20 seconds, go. Ano nga ba? Tandaan nyo yung mga steps natin. Quotient of 2/3 and 2/5. Step 1, change to multiplication and then get the reciprocal. Yung kabila. Switch. Time is up. Let's solve this. Ang tamang sagot ay B, 1 and 2/3. Paano ba natin nakuha ang sagot? Ito, 2/3 divided by 2/5. Step 1, change the division sign to multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of the divisor. 2/3 times 5/2, or 5/2. Step 2, apply cancellation. Sa given natin, we can cancel 2 and 2. So ito ay magiging 1/3 times 5/1. And for our last step, proceed to multiplication. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 1 is 3. So our final answer is 5/3 or 1 and 2/3 when simplified. Sino ba nakakuha ng tamang sagot? Yes. Let's go sa ating Mathly question number 3. Find the quotient. Ito. 1/3 divided by 3 and 4/5 equals N. Ang choices natin are A, 5/57, B, 6/57, C, 7/57, or D, 8/57. 20 seconds, go. Ano nga ba ang quotient nito? Again, mga classmates, meron tayong 3 easy steps. 1/3 times 3 and 4/5. 1/3, pwede na. 3 and 4/5, pwede pang gawing improper fraction yan. At saka, multiply reciprocal. Makukuha natin ang sagot. Okay. Time is up, mga classmates. Ang tamang sagot natin ay letter A, 5/57. Paano nga ba naging letter A, Kuya Robby? Gawin natin yung operation. Dali lang yan. 1/3 divided by 3 and 4/5. Step 1, change the mixed number to an improper fraction. And now we have 1/3 divided by 19 over 5. Step 2, change the division sign to multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of the divisor. So 1/3 times 5 over 19. And for our last step, multiply. 1 times 5 equals 5. 3 times 19 is 57. So ang final answer natin ay 5 over 57, which is letter A. Diretso tayo sa ating Math Dali question number 4. True or false? 7 and 5, 6 divided by 3 and 1/2 is equal to 2 and 5 over 21. 20 seconds, go. True or false? Medyo maraming digits. Kuya Robs, maraming numbers. Pero kung gagawin natin yung steps ng maigi, makukuha natin ang tamang sagot. Ano nga ba ang first step? We got mixed numbers, so change natin to improper. And from there, we can solve. Ready na ba kayo? Ready na. Time is up. Ang tamang sagot ay true. True rin ba ang sagot niyo? Subukan natin i-solve. 7 and 5, 6 divided by 3 and 1/2. Step 1, change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. So ito ay magiging 47 over 6 divided by 7 over 2. Step 2, change the division sign to multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of our divisor. 47 over 6 times 2 over 7. And we can cancel 6 and 2 dahil meron silang common factor na 2. And for our last step, let's proceed to multiplication. Now we have 47 over 21, or when simplified, is equal to 2 and 5 over 21. Madali lang, di ba? Parehas ba tayo ng sagot? Last question na tayo. Pero sa ating last question, gawin nating medyo practical word problem tayo. Ready na ba kayo sa ating question number 5? Here we go. Glenda has 1/5 of a bag of cat food left. She divides it evenly among her 4 cats. What fraction of the bag does each cat get? Sipin natin mabuti. Ito ang choices natin. Is it A, 1 over 20, B, 2 over 20, C, 1 over 30, or D, 2 over 30? 20 seconds, go. Glenda has 1/5 of a bag of cat food left. She divides it evenly among her 4 cats. What fraction of the bag does each cat get? Tandaan nyo, she divides it to her cats evenly. Na-excite na ako para sa ating equation dito. Time is up, classmates. Ang tamang sagot ay 1 over 20, letter A. I-solve natin. Hahanapin natin ang quotient ng 1/5 at 4 or 4 over 1. Step 1, change the division sign to multiplication sign and get the reciprocal of our divisor. So 1/5 times 1 over 4. Step 2, do our cancellation. Meron ba tayo pwedeng cancel? Wala. Diretso na agad sa last step, multiply and simplify. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 4 is 20. Kaya naman our final answer is 1 over 20 or 1/20th part ang makukuhang share ng bawat pusa. Ano bang nakuha yung score? Patingin nga. Sa mga classmates natin na iba na nagkamali, huwag kayong mag-alala. It's okay. Just regroup, reorganize your thoughts, tapos subok ng subok lang tayo ulit. Mas okay rin na mag-review with your best friend or your classmate dahil sabay na kayong nanonood ng Mahtali, sabay pa kayong natututo. Mas masaya ang learning kapag may kasama. Who loves our topic for today? Personally, si Kuya Robby, favorite ang division of fraction. Sino ba ang nag-enjoy sa panibagong kaalaman? Madali lang, di ba? Okay. Sana si Thea nakasmile ngayon. Thea, Sana nakatulong ang episode or lesson natin for today para mas naging math dali ang pag-solve or pag-divide mo ng simple fractions at mixed numbers. But classmates, kung may mga topics kayo sa math na medyo challenging sa inyo na gusto nyo mapag-usapan natin sa Math Dali, pwedeng-pwede nyo yan i-share sa amin. Mag-message lang kayo sa ating Facebook page na Knowledge Channel ng mga nais nyong pag-aralan para masagot at matulungan din namin kayo. At sama-sama natin gawing Math Dali ang math. That's it for today. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa pag-aaral natin. O paano? This is Kuya Robbie na nagsasabing, isip plus syaga equals math dali. We'll see you next time, classmates. Paalam!